Hello all, in this video we will see about the power symbol options that are in KiCad and some of the constraints before V8 version of KiCad. So if you see the power symbols, okay, so the power symbols actually are fixed in KiCad. Fixed in the sense, like example, if you want to add some power symbols, okay, for example, we search for 5 volts here, okay, and let us assume we place this. Generally, in all the EDA tools, you will have option to edit this global symbols, but here you can see power symbol value field text cannot be changed, so you don't have an option to change this in KiCad, especially the preliminary versions of KiCad. So if you are using those versions, what should you do? So in such case, the only option that is present is you have to open the symbol editor, okay, where you open your symbol editor and then you go to your power symbol. Like for example, let us open 5 volts. Okay, so you have this, right? What you do is file, open that symbol, file, save as, okay, to your library, or you can save to power as well. What we are doing is just to ensure that we maintain the integrity of that existing, what we are doing, 5VA, okay, and then save. So if you go back, you can see in the KiCad projects library, you will have the 5VA symbol present. Okay, just save this and you can use it in your project. Similarly, you can create as many number of symbols as you want, and you can also you also have to change this because this the pin name, right, should be different from the pin names that are on the other symbols. So change this and you are ready to go. So this is how you have to change the you have to create a new symbol, power symbol in KiCad versions till 8.